Hi there, Chris here. And Slinky, she always looks the other way. Slinky's been a little bit under the weather, but she's feeling better. Um, she had a little bit of maybe a bladder infection or irritation, but she is much better. She's been taking her chlorohydrophene, and that's helped quite a bit. There she is. She's got an itch. So this week is sort of out of the blue week. Out of the blue, this Zeni showed up after 7 weeks in Australia. A package from Thumper showed up out of the blue. And also, a check from my government showed up. And that was totally out of the blue. I guess I should follow things closer, but evidently it is a economic stimulus check, which, is nothing you apply for. They just send it out. And it's made out to me, but my government obviously doesn't know who, stimulates the economy here. That would be Suki. It should have been made out to her, because she's the one who stimulates eBay and others. But anyway, that was kind of cool. I will turn some of that over to Suki, and I will also spread it around to some of my friends that could use it a little more than me. So I have cleaned up this Zeni lock a little bit, and what it says is it actually says 820 on here, and it says Zeni on top, which we couldn't see before. And it does, here's the key, and it does say at 820 on the key, and that's the bitting. And the way this works is you have it here. You can mount this either way. So you pick it and turn it once, and it goes over to this side. Or you go the other way, and it comes over here. So it's a very cool lock. Tricky tension is the key on these things. I'm guessing that it goes either way, because you can mount it either way. So I thought I would give this a go picking this. They are a little bit tricky to get. They have funny feedback. But we'll see if I can get this picked on camera. And they also make padlocks, which I have some of those. I really like them. And I was very glad this showed up. And it was pointed out to me about the 7 weeks by Keymaster. And Keymaster said, well, a lot of mail moves on commercial airliners. And of course, nobody's been flying. So, if the few ones that, flights that are taking place, they have to prioritize what goes on. And there was things obviously of a higher priority than this. But I'm very glad it showed up. Be even more glad if I can get this picked. And I have picked it twice, I think, since I cleaned it up. by no means figured it out, as you can tell. And you really don't get much feedback with these. You do get a little bit of a slight chord turn when you get close, but I have not got that. See, nothing. Guess I should look at the key and see where I'm going. Huh. Well, let's try raking it. The one or two times I did get it, I think maybe once I raked it and once maybe I single pin picked it. I don't seem to be getting anywhere with it. Huh. Let's try it that way. I'll go back to single pin picking. No, I don't know why that would make any difference. But maybe. There we go. Number 2. So really very, very, very little feedback. So as you come around, I am picked. Now I'm afraid to come around to move this to the other side because I have to pass the top. And I don't want the driver pins to fall in here. So, but I will show. How do I do this? It is totally picked. I mean, I've cleared the pins to shear. Anyway, it's a very, very cool little cabinet lock. And I guess I could take it apart, maybe, and see what's inside. But that's the Zeni 850 cabinet lock. Thanks for watching. I'll zoom back out a little bit. Hit the like, subscribe. Thank you to all my subscribers and commenters. Leave a comment, and we will see you next time.